Because the cycle of returning to the central source of energy and creation is an inherent part of being human. Part of the ancient heritage and legacy of the human species was to leave behind our vessels of life orbiting the central sun of the universe, where the last human who commanded that vessel returned to the source of infinity and fulfilled their life purpose. And there is a visual that represents this. So, because this is who we are, as you know, we have an infinite fleet of planets that create universes that we manufacture ourselves. It's a big part of who we are as a species. And because this is who we are, you know, we have biological life states. And when we have a biological life, we live our complete cycle. And because we're energy, we're purposeful. Because we're creators. This is what we do. We're just creating at a biological rate, scale, rather than a pure energy scale. As in like spherical energies, infinite spherical energy, just creating everything. We do that as the biological energy of that state and recreate everything at that level, which is a higher state of creation. So because we are that and we can do that, and we've done it an infinite number of, cycles, normally the way it works, it became customary in our culture to just, the last human just becomes once again unity, meaning it transcends everything and reunites, it unites the states of everything, you see, and we've done it an infinite number of cycles. Every human has done it already. So because we do that, we as a species have planets that create universes. So there is a moment in which all humans become one with infinity. So what we leave is our legacy, our heritage, and a big part of that is our technologies, our planets. And normally a universe of our own creation, when we all become one with infinity again in terms of energy states, and we just manifest in that way instead, we leave our legacy behind as the creators of those universes. And these planets, just like Earth, is an example of that. So that's just the way it is. And I'll explain that in the next video.